Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all an everyday wearable makeup look for oily skin. Now this look is very easy to put together and it only takes about 5 or 10 minutes max. And the best part is that it's so realistic and it's so wearable, you can actually wear it outside. And then again, I'm going to be using very minimal products to achieve the look. So before I start doing my makeup, let me just prep my base, and for that I'm going to be using a moisturizer. Now there's this myth that oily skin people do not require a moisturizer because their skin is already oily. That is so not true. In fact, oily skin type requires a moisturizer the most. So there are two types of oily skin. The first one is oily acne prone skin and the second one is oily dull skin. Now I have oily acne prone skin and most of the moisturizers in the market break me out because they contain oils or they contain ingredients that clog my pores and cause acne. So I have to opt for either water based moisturizers, gel based moisturizers or oil free moisturizers. And the second oily skin type is oily dull skin. Now people who have oily skin but their skin is not acne prone might have dull skin because when there's a lot of oil that gets accumulated on your skin, it sort of makes your skin look very dull. So you want to get rid of all of the excessive oiliness. You want to keep the oiliness in check in order to bring back the radiance on your skin. So I have two moisturizer options which are perfect for both of these oily skin types. The first one is this Mamaearth Vitamin C Oil Free Moisturizer. This contains vitamin C and gotu kola which bring back the radiance on your skin, and this is specially for skin illumination. So if you have oily dull looking skin, you can definitely opt for this one. And the second moisturizer is this Mamaearth Tea Tree Oil Free Moisturizer. Now this contains tea tree and salicylic acid, which are both amazing ingredients to deal with acne and pimples, and this is the one that I'm going to be using today because I have oily acne prone skin, and both of these moisturizers are oil free, so they are not going to make my skin look greasy, oily or sticky. So I'm just going to take a pea size amount of the moisturizer and apply this all over my face. It's always important to moisturize your skin even if you have oily skin, especially before putting on makeup, because if you don't use a moisturizer before you put on your base makeup, that is your foundation and concealer and everything, then your makeup might end up looking either patchy, or it might emphasize your pores or the texture on your skin or your acne and everything. But if you have a moisturizer underneath, then your foundation, your concealer and everything is going to glide smoothly. It's going to blend seamlessly, and that way the texture of your skin, the pores and the pimples, bumps and everything that you have is not going to be emphasized, and the foundation is going to give you a decent amount of coverage, not just skin tone wise but skin texture wise also. I do understand that most people with oily skin type do not use a moisturizer under their makeup because they feel like their skin might end up looking greasy afterwards, but with an oil-free moisturizer like this, that does not happen. Trust me, even I used to make this mistake of skipping the moisturizer and the texture of my skin would look so bad with makeup. But ever since I started using either a water-based, gel-based or an oil-free moisturizer like this under my makeup, my base looks so good. So let me just give you a close-up of my skin. As you can see, my skin does not look oily, sticky, greasy, nothing like that. It looks just like normal skin. That is how good this moisturizer is. It's amazing for oily skin, it's amazing for the summertime. And while moisturizing your skin, it's also going to help to fight acne because it contains tea tree and salicylic acid. Tea tree is a natural ingredient that helps to kill acne causing bacteria, and salicylic acid is a scientific ingredient that helps to unclog your pores and remove all of the dirt and acne causing bacteria from your pores. So it's a combination of nature and science in this moisturizer, and along with moisturizing your skin, it's also going to treat your acne and improve your skin. Also, when you hydrate your skin using a non-oily, non-greasy formulation like this, it automatically adds an amazing glow to your skin. So in case if you want to purchase the tea tree or the vitamin C oil free moisturizer by Mamaearth, they are available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and also on Mamaearth's website, where if you use my coupon code, that is RIA2021, then you'll get a 20% off. I highly recommend that you shop it from their website itself, because every single time that you place an order on Mamaearth's website, they link your order to a tree that they plant, and they have this initiative of planting more than 1 million trees by the end of 2025, which is just amazing. So help them contribute to the environment. That way you are also doing a lot for the environment. Apart from that, you can also shop for their products from Mamaearth's app. They have their app for iOS and Android both, and if you shop from there, then you'll be getting early access to their sales, which means that you'll be saving on more money. Moving on to base makeup, I'm going to skip the foundation and directly apply a concealer because I feel like my skin is pretty much clear right now. The only amount of coverage that I need is under my eyes, a little bit on my cheeks wherein I have acne marks. If you have some pigmentation going on around your mouth or around your nose, you can also apply the concealer there. But for an everyday look, I don't feel like you require a foundation and then a concealer. Just the concealer is pretty much going to do the job for you. Now I'm just going to set the concealer in place using a banana powder. I'm gonna dust a little bit of the banana powder on my entire face just to mattify it. I did my eyebrows off camera. Now I'm gonna do my eyes and my face together. Since this is an everyday look, I am not gonna be using an eyeshadow palette separately, but I'm just gonna be using this contour palette which contains a highlighter, a blush and a bronzer. Firstly, I'm gonna pick up the bronzing shade and lightly apply it on my cheeks to bronze them. I'm going to pick up the shade again, pinch the brush and slightly contour my nose. I'm using a large fluffy brush and picking up the blush color and applying on the apples of my cheeks. I'm also applying a little bit of the blush on my cheeks and my nose to balance it out. Next up, I'm using a fluffy eyeshadow blending brush and picking up the blush color and lightly dusting it all over my lid. As you can see, it adds a little bit of color to the eyelids and yet it looks so minimalistic, so I'm going to repeat the same. I'm using a tiny detail eyeshadow brush and picking up the bronzer and applying it on my bottom lash line. Next up, I'm going to use the highlighter from the same palette, pick it up with my finger and apply it all over my lid very lightly. Next, I'm using a fan brush and with the same highlighter, I'm going to highlight the high points of my face. And lastly, for lipsticks, you can use a lip color that either matches your outfit or something that's completely on contrast with it. I'm going to be playing pretty safe and using this Lakme 9 to 5 Blush Velvet, which is my favorite nude lipstick. So that's the final look. I think the look turned out to be so realistic, so wearable. You can literally wear this makeup look every single day. And yeah, I feel like overall this makeup look is ideal for oily skin because I've kept the base very minimal. People with oily skin generally have large open pores, and if they use a lot of base makeup products, the pores kind of show up more. The appearance of pores are emphasized even more, so it's always better to keep your base makeup minimal, especially for an everyday basis like this. So I think this look is pretty much ideal for oily skin on an everyday basis. And in case if you happen to recreate this look, do tag me on your Instagram recreations. I would love to see them. I would love to give you a shout out. Also follow me on Instagram. The direct link is in the description box below, and also the links to purchase all of the products that I mentioned in today's video are also mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Also, I highly recommend you try these oil-free moisturizers by Mamaearth. They are amazing for oily skin, especially for an everyday basis. So yeah, that was my video on an everyday makeup look for oily skin. I hope this video was helpful for you all. If it was, then please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.